Jai Hind children, today I am going to tell you about GK question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Vice President of India? Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the Finance Minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the Foreign Minister of India? Subramaniam Jaishankar. Which is the biggest two-digit number? 99. Which is the smallest even number? 2. Who is the Minister of Education? Ramesh Pokhariyal Nishank. Which Indian started Prabudh Bharat General? Swami Vivekanand. Who is the Attorney General of India? K. Venugopal. Who is the RBI Governor of India? Sakti Kanta Das. Who is known as the Father of Nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam. Which is the longest dam in India? Hirakund Dam. Which is the oldest dam in India? Kalanai Dam. Which is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Which is the national bird of India? Peacock. Which is the smallest state of India? Which is the smallest state in India? Goa. How many cricket World Cup in the India has won? Two World Cup. Two World Cup. Which is the national animal of India? Tiger. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. When is India Independence Day? 15th August. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Bhimrao Ambedkar. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? Lion. Where is the Gateway of India located? Mumbai. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Kunchikal Falls. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus. The national river of India? Ganga. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Dhola Sadhya Bridge. Which is the highest peak in India? Kanchenjunga. The second highest peak in India? Mount Nanda Devi. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh called? Kuchipudi. Which is the largest state India by area? Rajasthan. What is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. New Delhi is the capital of India, which is also called the southernmost Himalaya, Sivaliks. What is the another name for Sahyadris, the Western Ghat? Where does Pak Strait lie? India and Sri Lanka. Lithium deposits have been found in which Indian state recently? Karnataka. What is the name of the pass between Kailash and Mansarovar? Mana Pass. Which pass links Srinagar to Leh? Zojila Pass. What is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two parts known as Tropic of Cancer? Where is Lake Loktak situated? Manipur. Where does the Narmada river originated from? Amarkantak. Which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghat? Mahendragiri. Which countries are separated by the Red Cliff Line? India and Pakistan. Which countries are separated by the Durand Line? Afghanistan and Pakistan. Where is India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri located? Antarctica. Thank you.